Ever wondered where lies the hidden paradise of Northeast India? It's the Ziro Valley. Nestled in the heart of Arunachal Pradesh, this gem of a destination is a testament to nature's grandeur and the rich cultural fabric of India. The valley is a symphony of emerald landscapes and tranquil vistas, all harmonized with the fascinating tribal culture of the local Apatani people. A place like no other, Ziro Valley captivates with its lush greenery, serene landscapes, and intriguing tribal culture. Now you may be wondering, where exactly is this hidden paradise and how can I get there? Well, let me tell you, Ziro Valley is nestled in the remote northeastern state of Arunachal Pradesh, India. A place where nature flaunts its splendor in full glory. It's a haven for those seeking solace away from the hustle and bustle of city life. Reaching this paradise isn't as hard as you might imagine. If you're planning to fly, the nearest airport is in Jorhat, Assam. From there, you can hire a taxi and take a scenic drive to Ziro Valley. The lush green landscapes and the open roads are sure to leave you in awe. If you prefer the rhythm of the rails, the nearest railway station is North Lakhimpur in Assam. Once you step off the train, taxis are readily available to whisk you away to Ziro Valley. For the road trippers out there, you'll be pleased to know that Ziro Valley is well connected by roads. You can embark on a thrilling drive from cities like Guwahati, Itanagar, or Dibrugarh. Each route offers its own unique vistas, so be sure to have your camera ready. So grab your maps, pack your bags, and get ready for an adventure through the mesmerizing landscapes of Ziro Valley. Let's take a quick recap of what we've learned about the enchanting Ziro Valley. The valley is a gem nestled in the state of Arunachal Pradesh, in the northeastern region of India. It is a place where the natural beauty is simply overwhelming, and the culture is rich and vibrant. Getting to Ziro Valley is a journey in itself. You can fly into Jorhat Airport, which is the nearest airport to Ziro. From there, you can hire a cab or take a bus to reach the valley. Alternatively, you can take a train to North Lakhimpur railway station and then proceed by road. And for those who love a good road trip, you can drive from nearby cities, soaking in the scenic beauty along the way. With this information, the journey to the breathtaking Ziro Valley seems less daunting and more exciting, doesn't it? So what are you waiting for? The hidden paradise of Northeast India is waiting for you.